I was actually the first one to make these in 1975, and everybody copied it. It measures exactly a shot, an ounce and a half. Spinning's been being done for at least 2,000 years. The tools that I'm using are hardened, made out of D2 steel. They're 50 years old. I'm spinning to the speed of the machine. The whole idea is to spin this consistently and evenly so that you don't get any lines or breaks. And the metal is distributed evenly so that there are no thin or thick spots. Here comes the most important step, is burnishing this material against this tool steel chuck so that the inside and the outside skins of the metal are completely burnished. Run over the bottom just to take out the memory mark. And here's where I burnish it for the inside on a nice piece of tool steel. Cut out the bottom so we can see the bottom of the coin. Deburr so there's no excess hanging burrs or material. Pop in the coin. It's an exact fit. Make sure the right side is up. Now we want to make these so that they don't leak. So I have to spin over the serration of the coin, which doesn't come through, and then backspin into the coin gently so I don't really thin the material out. I actually have a special tool for this, made just for this. And then run over the bottom, so I push it totally against the coin so that they won't leak. The whole idea is to drink this shot before they leak, which is what you're supposed to do to a shot anyway. Trim it to height, raw edge, deburr, and then when the polisher gets it, he actually deburrs it even more so it's more of a round edge. And that's it, made just for you.
We gotta check it for leaking, leak it or not. If it do leak, we fix it. Now we go to the buffing. You hit the top first. Make sure it's no sharp. That's the compound we use. Now you go around, take all the lines out. And sometimes they get very hot. You go both sides, see? Make sure the line going. Now you hit the coin, both sides. Make sure they're clean. Use the compound, triple light. Now you go spinning in your hand with a wheel. Make it nice and smooth. Now use loop, you no line. Now we gotta go broaching. I made that brooch, we made our own brooches. You gotta hold it and take the machine off when you're gonna take it out. Maybe you gotta do 2 or 3 times to make sure it's clean. See how clean it is? See, that's ready. Now we're gonna do the finish. We gotta change the glove because the glove gotta be clean to not scratch a product. Now you spin it, and then with the wheel. Go slow. You go fast first, and you go slow. That is beautiful.